welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican in Switzerland, and right now I'm on holidays in Mexico. I'm visiting my family, my friends. I'm in my hometown, which is called Tepatitlan, and I'm cooking from my parents' kitchen. So the recipe for this week, even though I'm on holidays, I'm a very responsible person. I still make the recipes for you guys. So the recipe for this week is called Jamaica water. In English it would be hibiscus. And you guys might think, oh, she's being lazy, she's just making us a flavored water. But here's the thing, for us Mexicans, it's like the most simple thing to make a hibiscus water. But for other people from other nationalities, you guys maybe don't know how to make it. And hibiscus, it's a flower, as you know. It's a dried flower. So you can make really nice fresh waters to drink for lunch or for dinner. And I want to show you guys how to make it. So let's start making the water. Okay, so basically the ingredients you need to make your hibiscus or Jamaica water are three things. You're going to need 2 liters of water, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and 100 grams of Jamaica, or in English it's called hibiscus. You make tea from it, we make water, and that's it. The funny thing with any fruit water recipe or flour is some people like it sweeter, some like it without any sugar, and some like it more concentrated, some like it less concentrated. So this, you can totally change the amounts you put in it. I'm just going to show you how I make it, but if you think it's too sweet, then add less sugar, or if you think the Jamaica flavor is too strong, then add less of the Jamaica that you're going to boil in the pot. But that, you guys can completely modify the recipe to your taste buds. And here I wanted to show off my parents' avocado harvest. They have avocados all year round. My parents, they're very lucky with that. And in Switzerland, they're very expensive and they're not so good like the ones we can get here in Mexico because they grow all year round. So every time I come here for holidays, I'm very envious of my parents and my brothers and everyone when I see like these fresh, nice avocados. The flavor is amazing. It's like buttery. The color is even different. They're not the bright green color. These have like an olive color. It's quite interesting. But yeah, these don't go in the water, okay? I just wanted to show off. Okay, so the first step is we're going to put our hibiscus flower. If you guys haven't seen what it looks like, our Jamaica, in Mexico it's called Jamaica. It's these dried flower petals, and you can make really delicious water with it. So we're going to put the 100 grams in a pot, and from the same 2 liters of water we have here, we're going to pour some water in. It's going to be about 3 cups. I'm not going to measure it exactly. You guys can, if you put more water, that's okay, because the same water from here, you're going to pour it back in here. So it's about 2 to 3 cups of water. You're going to let it boil, and once it starts boiling, you let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you turn it off and you let it rest for 30 minutes, and then you're going to strain it and pour it back into your water pot. Number 2. Okay, so the Jamaica we were boiling, the hibiscus flower that we were boiling, we let it cool down for about 30 minutes. It's still hot warm, the pot. It's not fully cooled down, but it's fine to pour it into our pitcher, especially since it's glass. You never know if it might crack or something if you put directly hot stuff in it, so it's better to let things cool down. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the sugar into the pitcher. We're going to stir it, and then we're going to add the hibiscus that we boiled using a colander so that we don't get any bits inside the pitcher. And you're going to stir it again. You can taste it, you can see if it needs more sugar, if it needs more hibiscus. You might have some left over in the pot. You don't need to put it all. It's always better to have a bit more. But you can calculate the flavor how you like it. And I also like adding ice to the pitcher if I have space left over, and if not, I just add the ice to the glass before pouring my my water in. So let's do that next. Okay, so now let's check the flavor to see if we got the amounts correct, if it's how we like it. If you, like I said, if you want to add more sugar, then just add it. If you want to add less, then you can't fix that now, but next time you make it, then you add less sugar. Or if you already know you don't like sweet stuff and you think that 3/4 of a cup was too much, then you add 1/2 cup or 1/4 or none at all. It's up to you guys. So let's try the water to see how it turned out. Perfecto. Okay, so the water is done, and as you guys saw, it's really easy to make. Like I said, I wasn't being lazy or anything. It's just that some people don't know how to make some recipes, and it's always good to know. Right now with the summer heat, it's really nice to have nice fresh water that you made at home, whether it's fruit water, whether it's hibiscus or Jamaica water in your refrigerator. You get home from work or from doing gardening or whatever you're doing, and you get some nice cold water in your fridge, which tastes amazing. And hibiscus or Jamaica, it's really good if you have, you're gonna say, oh, this is a cooking video, it's not nice to hear this stuff, but it's important that you know. Hibiscus, it's really good if you have urinary problems. So if you have problems with that, this water is really is good. I've tried it, I've had problems. I'm guessing most of you have had problems with that. So this water is really good. It has antioxidants. It's healthy. So if you guys just don't want to add so much sugar, don't add. Or you can sweeten it with whatever you usually use. Maybe you use agave syrup, maybe you use stevia, maybe you use honey. It's up to you guys. You can modify the recipe however you want. But I like it like this, so I'm sharing how I make it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope to see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. See you! Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.